Yo, all good man, you tuned into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at the new music video that QUAVO just dropped, and it's called Without You. Everybody knows it's pretty much a tribute to Takeoff, who fatally got shot. I think it's a few months now that it happened, but this is the first real tribute that we've seen from him in terms of music, I think. So I'm just going to be reacting to that today. RIP to Takeoff, man. If you guys are new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, man, and let me know what you think about this song and the video. We're gonna get right into it. Yo, honestly, just right, like Quavo kind of looks different, no? Like it's looked like that stress and that loss aged him a little. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Tears rolling down my eyes. Can't tell you how many times I cried. Can't tell you how many times I cried. Days ain't the same without you. No, I don't know if I'm the same with
Yeah, right away you can see that the track is different, man. No ad libs from your boy Take, man. Like shit is crazy.
Without you. Ain't the same. Remember the days we smoked big blunts together. Remember the days we rocked that cold jello. Remember the days we have our shit together. On the north side times were hard, but them days was better. I wish I had a time machine, just so you can take a ride with me. I miss just how you smile at me, unconfused to infinity. I wish I had a time machine, yes sir, so you can take a ride with me. Wrap my arms around them.
Honestly, this is so sad, man. Just thinking about it, like, being that close with somebody, like your whole career. It's like, you're working with your best friend or your family member your whole life, pretty much. The latter part of your life. It's definitely, it must be tough as hell. And I'm surprised that I haven't seen him and Offset really link up more. Seeing the things like this really do put into perspective of how life is short. You know what I'm saying? But the lyrics really show you how he's feeling in this one.
So you can never say goodbye to me. Out in the galaxy, up in the stars, over the universe, it's bigger than Mars. See you in heaven, see you in heaven. When I see you in heaven, I'ma be with my dog. Out in the galaxy, up in the stars, over the universe, it's bigger than Mars. I see you in heaven, see you in heaven. When I see you.
And this has to be one of the slowest and simple songs that I've heard from Quavo. Definitely not.
It ain't no gang without you. It ain't no gang. Nah. Birthdays ain't the same without you. No. Christmas ain't the same without you. No.
Yeah, he didn't even get to see the New Year's and Christmas. Wow, man.
Your name when it's about you. I wouldn't have got it out the mud without you. It's hard to see mama love without you. Mama.
Oh, that's him there.
See mama love without you. Mama love. Out in the galaxy, up in the stars, over the universe, it's bigger than Mars. See you in heaven, see you in heaven.
Yeah, this song is a tribute.
Out in the galaxy, up in the stars, over the universe, it's bigger than Mars.
This is definitely gonna be an anthem for a lot of people that lost somebody, you know.
I see you in heaven, see you in heaven. When I see you in heaven, I'ma be with my dog. Yeah, be with my dog. Yeah. Be with my dog. Yeah. I wish I had a time machine. You can take a ride with me, but I know it don't work that way. And I see you again soon.
Damn. Infinity. Damn, man, like that song is actually really touching. I think the lyrics are really meaningful. But let me know what you guys think, man. It's crazy what happened to him. It sucks, losing somebody that prominent in the community, a black community, of course, too. Um, it just sucks. But this song is definitely a nice tribute. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to hit that like button, man, that sub button. I'll see you guys later.